Spending 12 weeks strictly on base training might actually be the fastest way to destroy your race-winning power. Traditional linear periodization relies on sequential blocks: base, then build, then peak. But physiology doesn't pause for your schedule. Research indicates that after just 4 weeks without specific stimulus, glycolytic enzyme activity and neuromuscular power begin to decay. By the time you reach your speed phase, your base has eroded. By the time you rebuild base, your speed is gone. Enter undulating periodization. Instead of changing focus every month, we change focus every single day. This is daily undulating periodization, or DUP. By stimulating VO2 max, threshold, and endurance all within a single microcycle, you prevent the detraining effect seen in linear models. But here is the trap that breaks 70% of athletes attempting this. You cannot perform 3 killer workouts a week without blowing up your autonomic nervous system. The magic of DUP requires the high-low rule to manage neural strain. A workable week isolates stressors: Monday for neural drive, Wednesday for VO2 max, and Saturday for aerobic load. We oscillate the stress to allow specific systems to recover while others work. In a study comparing linear versus undulating models on trained athletes, the undulating group showed significantly higher gains in lower body power over 12 weeks. Why? Because the linear group spent weeks maintaining rather than building. However, keep this critical threshold in mind. DUP is demanding. Your actionable takeaway: stop segregating your season into exclusive blocks. Next week, inject a maintenance dose of speed, just 15 minutes of total work above threshold, even during your base phase. This prevents the physiological decay of your glycolytic system. Don't phase out your speed, manage it weekly.